Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to Rocky Mountain Arsenal National Wildlife Refuge. It's a free 15,988 acre wildlife sanctuary, and it's known for bison, bald eagles, prairie dogs, and dramatic transformation from former chemical weapons sites into one of the America's largest urban refuges. And it restored shortgrass prairie in Adams County, Colorado, bordering Commerce City and about 8 miles northeast of Denver. It is also managed by US Fish and Wildlife Service. So we are going to the visitor center just for now. The visitor center of Rocky Mountain National Arsenal, and so they have a good course. Track. So you have already seen the photo of what footprints are over here. You can just track which one is who and comment on below. Surprise, this is bison's legs. It's a prize, and this is bison hide. I love cutting. I don't know, I'm a bit crazy about bisons. And this is coyote. I love coyote too. I love its fur. Now let's see again. You can see a bird. It's called a killdeer. It's loud, fast-moving, ground-nesting plover, and its dramatic broken wings. It is used to distract predators. It is named because it sounds like kill deer. This is a deer and deer hide. I love it. And now from here on, you can see the changes and how they started Rocky Mountain Arsenal. This is all the history about it and the different animals which are found over here. I love this sketch of bison, and I hope you love the video. And you can see bisons over here. We'll go on a tour too. And please like, subscribe and comment, and please share the video with all your friends.